Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland, and today's special dish is corn cutlets. These are the yummiest ever. These are so easy and quick to make in any rainy day or just for any snack if you like. Make it and you would be amazed how tasty this will look, and this tastes amazing. So enjoy this recipe. Let's get started with the ingredients. To make tasty corn cutlets, we need all these ingredients. So let's start with the corns. This is one corn. Remove the corn kernels. These are 2 slices of bread, 1/4 cup of grated carrot, 1/4 cup of grated cheese, 1/4 cup of capsicum, which is bell pepper, some coriander, half boiled potato, 1 green chili thinly sliced, breadcrumbs 1/4 cup, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of chaat masala, half tablespoon of red chili powder, and of course we need some oil to fry. Now I'm going to coarsely grind the corns and bread just like so. Now I'm going to add all the dry spices and rest of the vegetables. So I've added all the ingredients except oil and breadcrumbs. So I'm going to mix it well and make a dough. So here you go. Within no time I have made this dough, and in a plate I've taken the breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to make the balls or whatever shape you like and dip it in the breadcrumbs and shallow fry it. So let's do it. Alright, so I made this round tiki here. So make it whichever shape you like. Just cover it with the breadcrumbs so that the layer will be crispy when we fry that. You can deep fry this as well, but I'm going to shallow fry this. So just like that. Just keep it aside and let's make the second one. Quick and easy and very tasty recipe to try it at home. Again, cover it with the breadcrumbs layer and done. Alright, so let me make all these tikis here and we will shallow fry that. In 1 cup of corns and 2 slices of bread, I have made 9 tikis. So let's get to the stove and try to shallow fry. If you want, you can deep fry them as well, but I like less oil, so I'm going to add just 2 of them and turn the heat to low. Wasn't that super easy? It was so quick. I was just done like within 15 minutes. Just imagine the rainy season and cup of tea and these corn patties. Amazing, isn't it? So didn't you see how easy that was? Make it home and enjoy this delicious and tasty corn patties. Thank you for visiting Foodland again, and thank you for watching my recipe. See you next time. Bye. Right. If you have already subscribed, Thank you for that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please share and subscribe. Thank you. These corn patties with either tamarind chutney, green chutney, or any ketchup if you would like. And enjoy. Don't forget to make tea. It's a perfect tea time snack, or you can make it as a party appetizer as well. Just make the patties earlier in advance and fry it when the party is there. So